to hypotenuse square. Kenzie, the main point of applying a Pythagoras theorem in a triangle is this. If we know two sides of a triangle, then using the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the third side. Okay. Suppose I'm giving you this triangle. In this triangle, you are given that first side is 12 centimeter. Second is 13 centimeter. You need to find all trigonometric ratios. All T ratios. Okay. So to find all T ratios, you must know what are the values of all three sides of the triangle. But here you have only two values with you. So using Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate the third side. Can you tell me what should be the value of third side?
It should be 12 squared plus O squared equals 13 squared. So
Okay. What should be the value of third side? Okay, let me calculate it for you. So we can take out of these two sides, this one and this one, we can take, right now we can take any side as opposite or any as hypotenuse.
it's 20.
This is 12 square, is 13 square. What is 13 square?
169.
And what is 12 square?
44.
If we transfer, it will become minus.
25.
So O is what? 5 centimeter. So last side, third side can be taken as 5 centimeter. You understanding or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to calculate trigonometric ratios for you. So I will calculate the first trigonometric ratio, that is sine. So do you remember what is the
Sine
formula?
hypotenuse.
What is the formula?
Opposite.
So can you please be a bit loud?
Opposite.
Opposite
Hypotenuse.
divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So tell me, which side is opposite side?
So what angle though?
Yes, to what angle? As I have just told you that I'll get back to this side. You see, I have written sine here only. This is merely a definition. It can never calculate a numerical value for us. Because if we want to calculate sine, then first of all, we should know we are talking about which angle. Suppose I take this angle as theta, then I should place theta here. Only then I will be able to calculate the complete ratio. So now my formulas are complete. I go back to the question now. I calculate for C angle first. For C, what will be the value of sine C?
Sine C, it would be 12 over 13.
12 over 30. And what will be the value of cos C?
5 over 13.
5 over 13. And tan C?
12 over 5.
12 over 5. Okay. Now, we can also calculate the reciprocal of these angles, but before calculating the reciprocal part, I will calculate sine and cos for other acute angle, that is angle A. That is angle here you see. In this triangle, what will be the value of sine A?
It would be 5 over 13.
5 over 13. And what will be the value of cos A?
12 over 13.
12 over 13. And tan A?
5 over 12.
5 over 12. Kenzie, if you can see all these values carefully, like for example, if you just look at the value of sine C and cos A, you can conclude a very important trigonometric relationship.
Right. They're the same.
They are same. So this information will lead us to a very important trigonometric relationship. This relationship is called complementary relationship. We are going to discuss complementary relationship in trigonometric ratios. What is this complementary relationship? I just continue with the previous example. I'm drawing the same triangle here, the same triangle that we have just finished. This is 12 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, as you have calculated in the previous question. This is 13 centimeter. So you calculated that sine A is 5 over 13, and you also calculated that cos C is equals to 5 over 13. Same thing you can find out with cos A. Cos A is 12 by 13 and sine C, that is 12 by 13. I can take any of these examples. I'm taking this example first. You see, you can notice the value of cos A is equals to sine C. Clear or not?
Yeah.
In this triangle, you see angle B is 90 degree. So that means angle A plus angle C should be equal to what?
Angle A plus angle C.
Yes. In triangle ABC, sum of these two angles. As you already know that one angle is 90. So what will be the sum of other two angles?
90.
90. So if you wish, we can replace A by 90 minus C. Clear or not?
Yes.
So if I replace the value here, I will get cos 90 minus C is equals to sin C. This is called complementary relationship. Complementary relationship means if we calculate for two complementary angles, look at these two angles, 90 minus C and C. What is the sum of these two angles?
90.
90. And if sum of two angles is 90, what do we call to those angles?
Complementary.
Complementary angles. So that means if your angles are complementary, then value of sine is equals to value of cos, or value of cos is equals to value of sine.
Right.
So there are three different formulas that we call as complementary relationship. First one is written before you. Second one is this. Is the reverse of or reciprocal of this, or reverse order of this, not the reciprocal exactly. Sine 90 minus C is equals to cos C. This is the second one. And the third one is tan 90 minus C equals to cot C. In the continuation of the same thing, we can also write three more formulas. These three formulas are sec 90 minus C equals to cosec C, cosec 90 minus C equals to sec C, and cot 90 minus C is equals to tan c. I think you are clear with the formulas as well as the reason why they are equal.
Yeah,
Okay, if you wish, you can note them down somewhere. Have you noted them?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
The sec and cosec and cot isn't important.
I'm not able to hear you.
The cosec and sec and cot isn't important.
Uh, Less important. They all are important, but usually they ask you questions about straight or basic ratios like sine, cos, and tan. Okay, they're less likely to ask questions about the reciprocal one, sec, cosec, and cot.
Right.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So we go to your exercise now. Look at the question. Just read the questions as many as possible and tell me which one you want to ask me. These are basic questions,
Yeah, these are all quite simple. They're very.
very easy questions. You can scroll your book if you have your book with you right now. You can scroll it and let me know which question I should do for you.
Okay, I'll do that. Right. What? This is chapter 10. Okay, do the sine inverse thing or cosine inverse.
Okay, so which exercise I should
It
go?
is. It's just right after exercise A.
Which exercise?
10A. Point
10,
2.
8.2. Okay, this is a very easy exercise. This is about calculating the angle. So in the previous exercise,